and welcome to the video, and thank you guys so much for watching, and thank you for joining me today to see my look and review on the brand new Juvia's Place palette. This is the Vanessa X Juvia's Place eyeshadow palette. This is such a beautiful palette that I'm so excited to get into. I'm actually feeling like really creative when I look at this palette, so I've already kind of like looked at it and thought about a look that I want to try and do. It's going to be a little bit like different than what I normally do, so hopefully I pull it off because I still need to end another video that I'm in the process of filming. I did a full how I get my glowy skin kind of situation tutorial process thing. You know what I'm trying to say. But anyways, I'm really excited about this. I've done so many tutorials and looks and makeup reviews recently. I'll have them all linked below, so go check them out. I've just been really like in the mood to play with new makeup. So, but anyways, if you are into these types of videos for me, then please give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. It would mean so much, especially because I've noticed in my analytics that over half of my viewers are not even subscribed. So if you're already viewing this video right now, if you would, do me the honor and hit the subscribe button. It would melt my heart. And let's go ahead and get into the video. Okay, so here's the packaging. It's super beautiful. And here are the shades inside. I'm so excited to try and create this look that I have in my head. Hopefully it comes out good. Fingers crossed. But anyways, we're going to start out with the Zoeva eyeshadow primer in the matte shade. Matte version, matte thingy. You know what I'm trying to say. Anyways, so I'm going to prime my eyes and zoom you in so we can start the process of creativity and the review and the eye look. You know, ever since I changed the lighting, you can really see like this, like it's just a shadow, but it's so annoying because it's like so like raw in your face, but it's just a shadow. I don't know why. I don't know how to fix it. If you guys know how to fix this weird nose eye gap shadow, let me know in the comments down below. Okay, so the first shade I want to apply is this one called Busy, and I just want to apply it all over the lid and in my crease and whatnot. Ooh, this is a very pigmented shade. I love that. I can feel it really gripping to this primer too. Like, I don't ever have shadows that feel like it's gripping to my primer. Like, I like that. I really do. Okay, so the initial look that I was thinking of, definitely that ship has sailed. This is a lot darker than what I thought it was going to be. So the look that I was going to plan to do would not work with what I just did. So we're going to reformulate a new plan, okay? That's what we're going to do. Okay, so I'm actually going to take this shade to darken up my outer corner. And the thing about dark shades like this that I've noticed is that they don't like to play well with others. They don't like to blend together. So I want to see if this is going to blend really well together. Wow, okay, this is a very pigmented color, especially because I knocked a ton of this color off. Okay, wow, okay, beautiful color, beautiful color. Okay, so that shade completely overpowered the other shade, but like it's fine because I'm like totally digging what I just did. I'm gonna take like a more flat brush, like this right here. Very dense, very flat. And I'm going to apply this orange shade just underneath. But I don't want to like mess up what I have, so I want to put that just underneath. Really knock out the pigment because these are pigmented. These are pigmented AF. This is so pretty. I think I'm going to do something with the browns on my lower lash line because I want to play with this dark brown, but I don't want to mess up what I have going on. So I think I'm just going to leave it the way it is because I really like this combination and they blended well together. Like, even though I just laid that color on top, it really did blend nicely together. So now I want to figure out what lid color I want to do. So I'm gonna swatch them and see which one I like the best. Live swatch for you guys. I really don't know which one I want to do. I think I'm gonna go for the extra shade. Okay, so I'm just gonna take this shade and use my finger to apply it to my lid. I think I'm gonna actually add a little bit of this Perfectionist shade. I think I'm actually gonna add some of this shade on top just to see what it would look like if I mixed it. Ooh. Like that idea. I'm gonna keep it more in the center. Pretty. We love that. All right, so now I want to take the shade BSG and apply it to my lower lash line, but I'm only going to apply it to the outer corner. Now I'm going to take the shade Busy and continue that on my lower lash line and just to bring the two together. So here's what the look is looking like right now. I'm going to do the other eye and I'll be right back to give you my final look and final thoughts. Okay, so this is the completed eye look. What do we think? What do we think? I'm gonna go ahead and zoom you out and give you my final thoughts. Okay, so final thoughts on the Vanessa X Juvia's Place palette. I have to say this was a solid palette. I actually really enjoyed these colors and how they blended together and how they paired well together. This can be for every skin tone. I just think this is a really beautiful palette and I really do enjoy Juvia's Place shadows. They are very good for the price. Now this is a $15 palette. Do I recommend it at $15? I actually do. It's beautiful and it gives me such like summer vibes. Like I just feel like using this during the summer, you know, with like these two shades here especially. This just gives me like, oh, flamingo, let's party, like with pom-pom trees. Pom-pom? No, it's palm trees. Summer vibes. You guys know what I'm talking about? Maybe not, but this gives me like festive, fiesta, tacos, out by the pool, summertime vibes. I don't know, whatever. Anyways, I really like the palette, okay? You guys get what I'm saying? I like the palette. Anyways, let me know all of your thoughts and opinions down below. Do you like this palette? Do you like Juvia's Place shadows? Just let me know your thoughts and opinions down below. If $15 is still kind of high for your budget to buy a new palette, don't worry, Juvia's Place has sales all the time and they usually do like 50% off and stuff like that all of the time. Like you never have to buy a Juvia's Place palette at retail price. That's how often that they do sales. So if you are interested in this palette, definitely wait for a sale if you want it at a cheaper price, but I do think it is perfect at the $15 price tag. But anyways, thank you guys so much for watching and yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!